Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy with AB. So we are continuing our series with the series Play with Graph, and we are now looking into transformation of graphs. We in the previous 3 lectures on transformation, in the 2 lectures we saw examples or theorems, or maybe you can say shortcuts, how you can transform graph. Say for example y is equal to fx to y is equal to f of mod x or mod fx or f of ax. And using those, in the previous video we saw 2 examples on transformation. Today also we will be seeing few examples of transforming graphs. If you have not watched the earlier videos, 3 videos, at least the 3 videos are very useful for today's lecture. So the first question that we will be seeing is, draw the graph of y is equal to mod 2 minus mod x minus 1 mod. So this is the graph that you have to draw. If you see the graph, it looks very complex, but if you follow the transformation theorems, it will be very much easy for you to solve this. So now first what you have to do is, you have to draw the graph of y is equal to mod x and then transform. So I'll just draw a sketch how you have to move in this case, right? First I'll draw a sketch. At first what you will do is, you will draw y is equal to mod x. Clear guys? You will draw the graph of y is equal to mod x. Then from here you will draw the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 1. Right guys? You will have to draw the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 1. Then you will have to draw the graph of y is equal to minus mod x minus 1. Right guys? Then you will have to draw the graph of y is equal to, add 2 to this, 2 minus mod x minus 1. Right? And then guys, what will you do is, you will now take the mod of this entire part. I'm not writing it again. So these are the steps what you will follow. Transformation step. We have already seen this. If you have not seen, do watch. So now let's get started solving this problem. I showed you the step. Hope you have noted it down. And you are solving the sum along with me, so that it is very much crystal clear to you all. So I'll quickly solve it now. So first graph will be the graph of, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, students. So graph of y is equal to mod x is this, right? Y is equal to mod x is this. Now you have to draw the graph of, this is y is equal to mod x. Now you have to draw the graph of y mod x minus 1. So basically f of x transformed to f of x minus 1. X minus 1 means shifting it towards the positive x-axis by 1 unit. By 1 unit. So this is the graph of, this is 1 comma 0. This is the graph that you are seeing right now. Let me erase the part that is no longer needed. Let me erase the part that is no longer needed. So this is the graph of y is equal to mod x, and this is the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 1. So let's remove this part also. This is not y is equal to mod x. The earlier part was y is equal to mod x. I think till this it is very much clear to you. Now let us draw the graph of y is equal to minus mod x minus 1. What you have to, minus mod x minus 1 is what? Y is equal to fx transform to y is equal to minus fx, right guys? Y is equal to minus fx. So what you do in that case? Mirror image of the graph along the y-x-axis, right? X-axis. So the graph will look something like this. So very simple. Let me omit this part, and let me omit this part also for you all. So this becomes the new graph. This becomes the new graph, the mirror image of that one. So this graph is, the graph that you can see right now is y is equal to minus mod x minus 1. Right guys? Y is equal to minus mod x minus 1. Now what? Now you have to add 2 to this graph to get 2 minus mod x minus 1. So adding 2 means what transformation? Fx transform to f of x plus c. So shifting this graph by 2 units along y-axis. So this one will be now shifted to how much? 2, 1 comma 0. The vertex will now be 2 comma 0. Right guys? So correct. I think it is very much clear to you all. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Right students? Right? Yeah. So this graph will come somewhat like this. This graph will come somewhat like this. So I am omitting this graph now. I am omitting this graph now. Students, this is very important. If you are not understanding, do ask in the comment section, right? So this is 1, this is how much? 2 comma 0. right students? I think this is very much clear. This part will be 1, right? It has shifted up 1, correct? And what will be this point? This point will be 3 comma 0 1, yeah. So this part was 3 comma 0. You will all follow this and solve it. I think this will be very much clear to you. This will be minus 1 comma 0, etc. Right students? I think till here it is very much clear to you all. Yeah. If you have any doubts, you can simply ask me, yeah, in the comment section. Now students, what you will have to do, you will have to take mod of this. If you take mod of this, the everything below x-axis will be mirror image along x-axis. So this part will be the mirror image, this part will be the mirror image, and let's omit out this part. Let's omit out this part. Let's omit out this part. So the graph that you are seeing right now, with minus 1 comma 0, 3 comma 0, and this point, oh sorry, this point is not 2 comma 0. Let me not mark it at 2 comma 0. This point is what? This point is 1, right? So this is 1 comma 0, and this point is 2. So this point will be 1 comma 2. Correct students? In the flow I just mistakenly wrote it as 2 comma 0, but this is 2 and this is 1 comma 2. So this is 1 comma 0 and this is 1 comma 2, x comma y, right? So this is 1, this is minus 1 comma 0, this point, the vertex point is 1 comma 0, and this point is 3 comma 0. I think this is very much clear to you all, and this point, the vertex that forms over here is x-axis is 1 and y-axis is 2. Correct students? So this is the graph of y is equal to mod 2 minus mod x minus 1. Very quickly I have solved this problem. Students, I think this question is very much clear to you all. Say you could have got a question. You could have got a question, students. Solve the problem integral of integration minus 1 till 3 mod of 2 minus mod x minus 1 dx. So say for example you have been asked this question, guys. What will be the answer of this question? So basically from minus 1 till 3, the area under the curve is this one. So basically they are asking you the area of this triangle. You know this. This is 2. Yeah, you know the height, you know the breadth, you know the area of this triangle, guys. I'm not going into finding area of this triangle, but you know the solution. So just see how you can solve a problem. Say they would have given from 1 to 3, integrate 1 to 3, then this area would have been the answer. If they would have given 1 to 4 students, so then this area would have come from here till here. So any question, any integral question revolving this would have become very simple. This is my point that I want to make over here. Now students, let us see another important example on transformation of graph. Let us see another example on transformation of graph. Students, if you are finding it very clear, do like this video and subscribe to my channel and practice numericals from any JEE advanced paper Now let us see the next question. Say for example, you have been asked to draw the graph of y is equal to 2 minus 4 of mod x minus 1. You have been asked to draw the graph of y is equal to 2 minus 4 by mod x minus 1. So what you will do in this case? This question is very simple. I'll just guide you. I'll show you the step. So first you will have to draw the graph of y is equal to 1 by x or xy is equal to 1. This is what? A rectangular hyperbola, guys. This is a rectangular hyperbola where the value of k is positive. This graph will be something like this. I have already taught you this graph. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is the graph of y is equal to 1 by x. Now you have to draw the graph of y is equal to what? X minus 1. Y is equal to x minus 1. So drawing y is equal to x minus 1 means shifting this graph basically along the x-axis by 1 unit. So this part will get shifted, this part will get shifted somewhere like this. Clear, guys? So I'm just giving you, I'm not solving this problem, but I'm trying to tell you how you can use the theorem and solve this. So understood? You drew the graph of y is equal to 1 by x. You drew the graph of 1 by x minus 1. Now do what? You have to take the mod. You know what to do in mod. You have to just mirror image the lower part. So this you can easily do that. Then you will have to do what? Then 4 comes into the picture, guys. Then 4 comes into the picture. So basically a function multiplied by 4, expansion, remember this, and then you have to take a minus. So the lower part will, anywhere it will be a mirror image of the x-axis, and then you will have to add 2 to this graph, right? Students, so I am leaving this graph to you all, so that you can draw this graph. But my question to you will be integrate this graph from -2 till 2 to -4 by mod x minus 1. This is dx. Draw the graph and find the integral of this problem and comment. Do comment the answer that you are getting. If you still have, students, any doubt on transformation of graph, because I will be ending transformation of graph with example I have already shown you over here, and I think this video is very much clear. If you liked the video, do subscribe to our channel, do support it, do share it in your circle. If guys, if you have any doubt, anything, you can just go to the comment section and put it over there. Don't hesitate, students. If you have liked the video, thank you so much for watching.